Welcome to this video tutorial regarding the seated low-lift and high-lift pallet trucks of the FX Narrow series. My name is Mike Eckerkunz and I'm a product trainer for warehouse equipment with Stil. All trucks are characterized by a number of highlights. We're extending the portfolio in low-lift pallet trucks with a 2.5-ton version, as well as in the high-lift pallet trucks with a seated double stack, the FXD20. All of the trucks are high performers. We can reach top speeds of up to 12 kilometers for low-lift pallet trucks and 10 kilometers for high-lift pallet trucks. This can be achieved by a powerful rotary current drive, which is built in all of the trucks. All of the trucks are also very compact and have a high availability due to large battery capacities and lithium-ion. Also in parts of ergonomics, all of the trucks are very good because we have different steering concepts and control elements to choose from. All of the trucks are part of an overall project, and in the first step we released the stand-on versions with the SXD20 and SXH. Now the seated versions are to follow. Let me start off with an explanation of the product name itself. As we know from the predecessor, the F indicates that it's a driver's seat, which means it's a seated truck. The X stands for the new generation, which means it's a new design and we have rotary current drive. The H in this case indicates that we have a low-lift pallet truck for horizontal transport. The D stands for the double-deck versions, and we also have the V for vertical, which means we're going up to heights for high-lift pallet trucks. After that, we give you the nominal capacity, in this case 2.5 tons, and in the end, the N indicates that it's a very narrow and compact truck, which is also familiar from the FMX Narrow series. So in which applications would we use these trucks now? The FX Narrow series is universally applicable, from retailers to production. Due to the ergonomic driver's seat, it is well suited for longer transport distances and heavy-duty applications in the industry. Large battery capacities and the availability of lithium-ion makes it an ideal partner for multi-shift applications. The FXD, the double stacker, I would especially use if I have non-stackable goods because I can transport two pallets above each other without touching. In order to increase the turnover performance in your warehouse, you can use the FXV because it has an ideal combination of maximum drive speed and lifting heights that we can reach. Now let's take a look at the trucks in detail. Therefore, we use our simply efficient argumentation, consisting of power, precision, ergonomics, compactness, safety, and environmental responsibility. All trucks have a four-wheel concept, which means that we have a driven wheel, a caster wheel, and two load rollers at the front. As an option for the FXD and FXH versions, I can also get a floor compensator in order to overcome uneven and bumpy floors to ensure a comfortable ride at any time. The low-lift pallet trucks have a maximum drive speed of up to 12 kilometers an hour in combination with the maximum capacity of up to 2.5 tons. When it comes to high-lift pallet trucks, I can achieve maximum drive speeds of 10 kilometers an hour. With the FXD, the double stock version, I can lift up to 2 tons in total, 1 ton on each level. When it comes to the high lift version, the FXV, I can choose between a 1.4 and 1.6 ton version and lift up to 5.3 meters in height. As a standard, of course, all trucks have a precise electric steering, which is very accurate and smooth when operating. As an option, I can also adjust the number of turns I have to take for an 180-degree steering, as well as adjustable steering forces for personal comfort. As an option, the steering knob is also available, but only on the left side. In order to drive and lift, I use the fixed joystick, which is a standard for all the trucks, which will be operated as follows. In order to drive, I use the thumb pad left and right. If I want to use the initial lift, I need to push the buttons at the front of the joystick, up and down. As an option, I can also get a joystick for plus for all the trucks. Of course, all the trucks have best all-around view and a very good view to the tips of the forks in order to enter a pallet very easily and precise to ensure maximum turnover ability. Due to the well-designed ergonomic concept of the FX Narrow series, it is well suitable for longer distances. The grab handle and the step ensures easy access into the driver's workplace where I can do further adjustments. For example, the foot plate can be adjusted vertically up to a height of 10 centimeters for personal comfort. The seat is also adjustable in the horizontal and is also a little dampened to ensure higher comfort when driving. The optimal arrangement of all control elements ensures a fatigue-free work at all times. In order to attach different supports like a riding pad, scanner or terminal holder, one can choose an accessory bar as an option. There are various combinations possible. For example, I can choose 1 or 2 accessory bars, or I can choose the integrated solution with a load backrest. As a standard, we have integrated a storage compartment inside the driver's workplace. The lateral battery change is a standard for all FX Narrow trucks. This means we have an open battery tray with rollers and a quick change mechanism. In order to change the battery, I simply have to remove the cover, unplug the battery, and use the handle to give the battery an initial push, which ensures an easy access to the battery to slide it over to the change frame effortless. For the trucks with mass, we have the same easy access to the handle. The trucks of the FX Narrow series are very compact in dimension. With the overall width of only 820 millimeters, in combination with the high maneuverability, these trucks are well suited for tight working spaces and narrow working aisles. These trucks ensure a safe operation, for example, due to the automatic speed reduction when cornering or the lift height controlled speed reduction for the high-lift pallet trucks. In addition to this, we have an overhead guard as a standard for all our high-lift pallet trucks to guarantee high working safety at all times. When it comes to environmental responsibility, these trucks are top of its class as well. The low-lift pallet trucks only consume 0.5 kilowatt per hour, and even the high-lift pallet truck only consumes 1.65 kilowatt per hour. In combination with the Blue Q mode, we guarantee high energy efficiency. This has been the overview of our trucks. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact me directly.